Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. For today's video, I will teach regarding on how to convert fraction to decimals. Okay, let's look at the first example on how to convert fraction into decimal. There are one figure there, or one diagram. If we can see, there are 10 parts in this picture, in this diagram. From the 10 parts, we have one part that color, one shaded part. So, relationship with fraction that we have learned before, we can say this diagram or this picture as 1 over 10 because we have one color part, one shaded part. So, how to convert this fraction into decimal? Okay, we can write as 0.1. If we can see between 0 and 1, we have dot there. So the dot we call as decimal point. That's why we call 0.1 as decimal number. Okay. 0.1 also we can write in word as 0.1. What we say is what we write. So we spell 0, we spell point, and we spell 1. 0.1. Okay. Let's look at second example or example 2. We have one more picture, one more diagram. There are also 10 parts, and between this 10 part, we have 2 part colored. Okay, 2 part we have shaded there. Okay, so in the form of fraction, we write as 2 over 10 because 2 shaded part from 10 part. Okay, how to convert 2 over 10 into decimal? Okay, so we write as 0.2. Okay, 0.2 that I show now is in the form of numbers. So how to write in words? So we spell as 0.2. Okay, why 2? Because we have 2 color part or 2 shaded part. Okay, how about example 3? If we can see, okay, there are 10 parts also in this diagram, in this picture, but all the 10 parts we have colored. Okay, there are 10 shaded parts. There are 10 color parts from 10, from all 10 parts. Okay, so in the form of fraction, we call as 10 over 10. Okay, so how to write in decimal? Okay, because 10 over 10, okay, we must write as 1. Okay, 1 means that all the part we have colored, all part shaded. Okay, so if the number of shaded part same as the number of all part, okay, 10 over 10, so we write as 1, okay, in the form of decimal. So in word, we spell 1. Okay. So now, let's fill up the number line. Okay. Actually, this number line is relationship between the fraction and the decimal that we learned just now. Okay. So this one, 1 over 10. So how to write? Or what is the number in the form of decimal? So we write as 0.1. Okay, next, 2 over 10. So the answer is 0.2. Okay, next, 3 over 10. So 0.3. Okay, 4 over 10. So we write as 0.4. Okay, 5 over 10 means 0.5. 6 over 10 we write as 0.6. 7 over 10, 0.7. 8 over 10, 0.8. Second last, 9 over 10, we say as 0.9. And the last one, 10 over 10, okay, means that all part we have color, all part shaded, so we write as 1. Okay, that's the relationship between fraction and decimal. Okay, how to convert fraction into decimals. Okay, now shaded part of decimal. Okay, how we want to know, okay, how to shade it or how to color the part of decimal. Okay, if we get the question like this. Okay, example 1. Okay, let's say we got the answer, the question 0.4. So how many part that we must color? How many part we must shade? Okay, so first, okay, we need to have 10 part. Okay, 10 parts. Okay, from the 10 part of the picture, how many part we must color? So 0.4. So refer to the 4. So means that we need to color 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can choose any part you can color, okay, until 4 part. Okay, so let's look at the next example. Okay, how about 0.7? Okay, now we get the word, not the numbers, okay? The word of decimal, 0.7. So how many part we must color? How many part we must shade? So same as just now, we need to have 10 parts, okay? So we must color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So refer to the word 7. Okay. So we color 7 parts. Okay. How about example 3? Okay. Regarding this word, this number of decimal. Okay, this question give you 1. Okay, what is the meaning of 1 in decimal? Okay, so remember back our previous example. Okay, so how many shaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means that, okay, 1 refer to all part we must color. Okay, that's how we color the part of decimal. Okay, that's some example and some explanation regarding how to convert the fraction into decimal. So I hope all of you can understand regarding this topic. Okay, that's all for today's video. Okay, thank you.